Dear students, how are you? How did you write the slip test? I am expecting good score. So let's start today's class. In the previous class I gave first bit homework problems. So 4 problems given for homework. Find the sum of the following APs. So first one 2, 7, 12, dash 2, 10 terms. So first find out the A value. So A equals to 2 and next D common difference A2 minus A1. So A2 value 7 minus A1 value 2, it is equals to 5. So now we should find out the sum of first n terms. So that means use Sn formula. So Sn equals to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute n value 10, a value 2 and d value 5. So then Sn will become S10, it is equals to 10 by 2 bracket of 2a, 2 into a value 2 plus 10 minus 1 so d value is 5. So it is equals to 10 by 2 answer is 5. 2 into 2 4 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 5. So it is equals to 5 into 4 plus 9 5s are 45. So 5 into 4 plus 45 is 49. 5 9s are 45, 4 carry, 5 4s are 20, 24. So 245 is the first 10 terms of the given AP. Next second question, minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 dash and find the sum of first 12 terms. So here the A value is, so A value minus 37 and D value A2 minus A1. So A2 value minus 33 minus, take the bracket, so it is equals to minus 33 plus 37. Minus 33 plus 37 is 4. Let's find out the sum of first 12 terms. So use Sn formula, n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute n equals to 12, 12 by 2, 2 into a value how much? So that is minus 37. So minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into d value 4. Here we can cancel 12 in 2 tables. So 2 6 are 6 into 2 into minus 37 is minus 74 plus 12 minus 1 is 11 into 4. It is equals to 6 into minus 74 plus 44, minus 74 plus 44. So then 6 into minus 74 plus 44 is minus 30. So minus 180 is the sum of first 12 terms in the second question. Next third question, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8. So A value 0.6, D value 1.7 minus 0.6. So 1.7 minus 0.6 is 1.1. So he is asking find out the first 100 terms. So then Sn formula. So n value 100 by 2, 2a 2 into 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into d value 1.1. So 2 1s are 2, 50s are. So 50 into 2 into 0.6 is 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. So it is equals to 50 into 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1 is 108.9. Sorry, here 110.1. So let's multiply with 50. 5 into 1 5, 5 into 0 0, 5 into 1 5, 5 into 1 5, and it is 50. So then here you will get the 0 and 1 decimal point. So 5505 is a sum of first 100 terms in the given AP. Next, fourth question, 1 by 15 comma 1 by 12 comma 1 by 10. So A value 1 by 15 and D value A2 minus A1, 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. Let's find out the LCM of 12 comma 15. So both are coming in 3 table, 3 4s are, 3 5s are. Next to 4 table 1 and here 5. Next to 5 table 1 1 1. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60. So the LCM is 60. So 60 is the LCM. 60 in 12 table 5s are, and 60 in 15 table 4s are. 5 minus 4 is 1 by 60. Let's find out the 11 terms of AP. So 11 by 2 into 2A2 into 1 by 15 plus 11 minus 1 into D value is 1 by 60. So it is equals to 11 by 2 into 2 into 1 by 15 is 2 by 15 plus 10 into 1 by 60. So 10 ones are 10 6 are. So 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6. Let's find out the LCM of 15 comma 6. 3 5s are, 3 2s are, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So 11 by 2 into 30 is a LCM. 30 in 15 table 2s are, 2 into 2 is 4 plus 30 in 6 table 5s are, 5 into numerator is 5. So 11 by 2 into 4 plus 5, 9 by 30. So 3 3s are, 3 10s are. So it is equals to 33 by 20. So the sum of the 11 terms of fourth question is 33 by 20. So here the first bit completed. Find the sum of the following APs. Let's do the second bit. Find the sums given below. So what is the difference between these two bits? So in the first bit he mentioned the number of terms sum clearly. So how many terms sum we want to find out? He gave that information very clearly in each question of first bit. But observe the second bit. Is there any number of terms information given in the question? No, he did not give the number of terms information. How many terms sum we want to find out, we don't know. So just he gave the plus symbol between the terms. So without knowing the number of terms, then how will you use the SN formula? If you know the any n value, for example n value is a 15, so that means S15. S15 means sum of the first 15 terms. If n equals to 16, S16, sum of the 16 terms. But in this question there is no information about the particular number of terms. So that is why first we have to find out the number of terms in each AP. First of all, how many terms are there in the DAB, then after you can find out the sum answer. We know very well in the previous exercise we learned this type of questions, how to find out the number of terms in the particular AP. So let's follow the same. Let's find out the number of terms here. A value 7 and D value is A2 minus A1. So A2 means second term, so that is 10 whole 1 by 2 minus A1 is first term. 10 whole 1 by 2 convert into improper fraction form. 10 2s are 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 7. 7 I am writing as a 7 by 1. Okay. So it is equals to 2 comma 1 LCM is 2. Here 21 minus 7 2s are 14. So 21 minus 14 is 7 by 2. Let's find out the number of terms. So to find out the number of terms, here last term is given, that is 84. So equate the last term 84 to L. So L formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. It is equals to 84. So substitute the A value, that is 7, plus n minus 1 into D value 7 by 2. So it is equals to 84. So n minus 1 into 7 by 2 equals to 84 minus 7. So n minus 1 into 7 by 2 equals to 84 minus 7 is 77. So then n minus 1 equals to 77 into 2 by 7, because 7 by 2 is multiplying. So when you transposing to RHS side, it will become reverse. 7 ones are 7 11s are. So n minus 1 equals to 22, then n equals to 23. So the total number of terms equals to 23. So now we got the information about the number of terms. So indirectly, how many terms sum we want to find out? Yeah, 23 terms sum we want to find out. So let's find out the S23. Sn equals to n by 2 of A plus L. See, here I am using the n by 2 of A plus L. Why? Because observe the given AP, here last term is available. So then we can use this formula. So of course n by 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 into D, that is also useful. But in the simplification, n by 2 of A plus L is very easy to simplify. So how many terms are there total? 23 terms are there. 23 by 2 into, so what is the A value here actually? 7 is the A value, and L value 84. So it is equals to 23 by 2 into 7 plus 84. So here I am taking the into symbol. 7 plus 84 is 91. So 91 into 23. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, 2 ones are 2, 9 twos are 18. So 3, 9, 10, 1 carry. So 2093. So 2093 divided by 2 is a sum of given terms in the first question. Okay, so don't skip the video. If you watching the all problems, then only you will get the perfection in the topic. So by listening one problem and doing the homework, it is not correct. So listen all problems, then the depth of the topic will understand very clearly. So next I am going to explain the third problem, that is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus dash minus 230. It is also same like a first problem. There is no information about the number of terms. So first we have to find out the number of terms. So here the A value is minus 5 and D value A2 minus A1. So A2 is second term minus 8 minus bracket of minus 5. So it is equals to minus 8 minus of minus plus 5, it is equals to minus 3. Let's find out the number of terms in the given AP. So that is why I am equating the last term minus 230 equals to L. So L formula is A plus n minus 1 into D. So it is equals to minus 230. So here A value minus 5, D value minus 3. So A value minus 5, n minus 1 into D value minus 3 equals to minus 230. So n minus 1 into minus 3 equals to minus 230 plus 5, because it is a minus 5 transposed to RHS side. So n minus 1 into minus 3 equals to minus 230 plus 5 is minus 225. So n minus 1 equals to minus 225 divided by minus 3, because minus 3 is a multiplying. So minus minus cancel, 3 ones are 3 sevens are 21, 1 remainder, 3 fives are 15. So n minus 1 equals to 75 then n equals to 75 plus 1 equals to 76. So the total number of terms is 76. Let's find out these 76 terms sum. Here I am using the n by 2 of a plus l. Why? Because the last term is available in the question, so that is why. So 76 by 2 into a value minus 5 plus last term is minus 230. So 76 by 2, 2 ones are 2 3s are 6, 1 remainder, 2 8s are, so 38 bracket of minus 235. So 38 into minus 235. So it is equals to minus 8930. So the sum of the 76 terms in the third question is minus 8930. Next, third bit, in an AP given A equals to 5, D equals to 3, AN equals to 50, okay, find n value and Sn value. We have to find out the n value and Sn value. So let's do this problem. So here an value given, an value, using this an value you can find out the n value, okay. So an equals to 50, an formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 50, a value 5 plus n minus 1 into d value 3 equals to 50. So n minus 1 into 3 equals to 50 minus 5. So n minus 1 equals to 50 minus 5 is 45 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. So n minus 1 equals to 15, then n equals to 16. So n value completed. Now what he is asking, Sn value equals to how much? So Sn value, Sn equals to, here we have two formulas. So which formula is suitable here? Actually last term is there. Yes, 50 is the last term, because last term is denoting with the an also. So then I am using n by 2 of a plus an, okay. So it is equals to, n value already we found, that is 16. So then substitute it, n value 16. 16 by 2 bracket a value how much? A value 5 plus an value how much? 50. So 2 ones are 2 8s are 16. So 8 into 5 plus 50, 55. It is equals to 5 8s are 40, 0 4 carry, 5 8s are 40, 44. So 440. So S16 equals to 440, okay, 440. So we completed two answers. Next, second question, given a equals to 7, first term equals 7, a 13, 13th term is 35, find d value, okay, find d value, and S13. That means sum of first 13 terms. So first find out the d value. So to find out the d value, so here I am using S13 equals to 35, okay. Sorry, A13 equals to 35, A13 equals to 35, A13 means A plus 12D, it is equals to 35, A value already given 7, 12D equals to 35. So 12D equals to 35 minus, what is the A value? 7. So 12D equals to 28. So D equals to 28 divided by 12. So here 4 3s are 12, 4 sevens are 28, it is equals to 7 by 3. So D value is 7 by 3. Now Sn formula, so here which formula you want to use for Sn? See here, last term is not available. In the previous question, An value given. So we use n by 2 of A plus L, but here An value not there. So that is why the first formula 2A plus n minus 1 into D, use this formula. What he is asking, S13. So S13, that means n value 13. So 13 by 2 of 2A. What is the A value here? 7, and the D value how much? 7 by 3. 7 plus 13 minus 1 into 7 by 3. So 13 by 2 cancellation is not possible. So write as it is. Here 2 sevens are 14. 13 minus 1 is 12 into 7 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fours are. It is equals to 13 by 2 into 14 plus 4 sevens are 28. So it is equals to 13 by 2 into 14 plus 28. 8 plus 4 12. 1 carry 42. So 2 ones are 2, 20 ones are. So 13 into 21. 1 threes are 3. 1 ones are 1. 3 twos are 6. 2 ones are 2. So 372. So 273 is a sum of the first 13 terms in the given AP. Next, third question, given A12, 37, D3, find A and S12. So same like a second question. So it is a homework. Coming to fourth question, A3. So third term is 15. S10, sum of first 10 terms is 125. Find D value and A10 value, that means 10th term. Okay. So let's find out the D value first. So to find out the D value, let's simplify them here. A3 and S10 values given. First A3 equals to 15. A3 means A plus 2D equals to 15, equation 1. Next S10 value given. S10 equals to 125. So S10 means n by 2 of 2A plus n minus 1 into D value equals to 125. Here don't use the n by 2 of A plus An, because here An value is not available, and that too we need one more equation in the variable A and D. So A and D will be available in this formula only, not in the n by 2 of A plus An. So here S10 nothing but 10 by 2 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D equals to 125. Here 2 ones are 2 fives are. So 5 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 is 9D. It is equals to 125. So 2A plus 9D equals to 125 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So 2A plus 9D equals to 25. So here equation 2. Observe the both equations. In the first equation, A plus 2D equals to 15. In the second equation, 2A plus 9D equals to 25. So if using the elimination method, we need a same coefficient of A, but here 2 and here is a 1. So that is why what I am doing, equation 1, A plus 2D equals to, what is A plus 2D equals to 15. So I am multiplying this equation with 2 on both sides of A equal symbol. So then what will happen? 2A plus 4D equals to 2 into 15 is 30. So now write the second equation, it's below. 2A plus 9D equals to 25. Now change the symbol. So here minus minus minus, plus 2A minus 2A cancel. 4D minus 9D is minus 5D. 30 minus 25 is plus 5. So then D equals to 5 divided by minus 5, then d equals to minus 1. So finally we got the d value, that is minus 1. Now he is asking A10. What is a A10 value? But to find out the A10 value, what are the values required? A value and D value. But we got only D value. A value did not get. So that is why I substitute D value in equation 1. So A plus 2 into minus 1, it is equals to 15. So A plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, it is equals to 15. So A equals to 15 plus 2, A equals to 17. So A value is 17 and D value is minus 1. Let's find out the A10 value. So AN equals to, A10 value is what is the formula? A plus 9D. So A value how much? A value 17 and D value minus 1. 17 plus 9 into minus 1. 17, 9 into minus 1 minus 9. So 8 is a A10 value. Next to fifth question is a homework. Sixth question also homework. Let's do the seventh question. So given L equals to 28, L means last term, S equals to 144, S nothing but Sn. So here S or Sn both are same, okay. So 144 and there are total 9 terms. So total 9 terms means how to denote that? N equals to 9, okay. Find A value. So very simple. So here to find out the A value, I am using the Sn formula. So Sn equals to n by 2 of A plus L I am using because your last term given in the question, that is why n by 2 of A plus L. Sn nothing but S. S value how much? 144. N value, total number of terms 9 already given in the question. And A value required answer. L value 28. Okay, here 9 by 2 is not possible, so that is why 144 into 2 by 9, because here 9 by 2 is multiplying completely A plus 28. So when you transposing to left side, the fraction will become reverse. So A plus 28. So 9 ones are 9, here 9 ones are 9, remainder 5, 9 6 are 54. So 16 into 2 equals to A plus 28. 16 2s are 32 minus 28 equals to A, and the A value is how much? 32 minus 28 is 4. So our required answer is 4. So today's homework, second bit, second problem homework. So next in the third bit, third problem homework. Next fifth and sixth. So total 4 problems homework for today. See you on tomorrow. Thank you.